work in sales and you're stressed, you're frustrated, you're maybe even a little pissed off. This has to be your year. You need to make 2 or 3 times more money than you're making right now to truly enjoy your life. But what about the market? What about your competition? What about the company that you work for? It just doesn't seem like it's gonna happen for you. Well, I'm here to tell you, it can and it will. This can be your year. You can make twice as much in sales as you're making right now in the same job for the same company if you simply learn a better sales process. Hi, my name's Matt Easton. If we haven't met before, I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. If you click the link here, you're gonna get access to our on-demand sales coaching portal. There's everything from prospecting to closing to negotiating to building your personal brand. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you double their income typically within 60 days. But it doesn't stop there. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm gonna be there with you every step of the way. I'm gonna help you with any challenges you're facing. I'm gonna show you how to double or even triple your income. Click the link here. Easton University has helped thousands of people just like you, and we're ready to help you right now. This is going to be your year. Easton University is more than a simple sales process for you. It's more than live coaching with me to help you double your income. It's your future, and this is your time. This is your year. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.